Hello, my name is Nikita Divedi. Today we will discuss the chapter number system. So what is number? To know the quantity of anything is called a number. Just like how many students in this class, it may be the 50, it may be the 40, it may be the 35. If my mother say that go and bring some sugar, that sugar will be the 1 kg, will be the 2 kg. So to know the quantity, we use the number. Okay, so number system is a combination of numbers. So how many types of a number? Today we will discuss about the types of number. The first is natural number. The first is natural number. As the name suggests, that is a natural, but it means it comes from the nature. So anyone ask you what is the number, then you will tell that the 1 2 3 4 5 is a natural number. So if you will ask from the kids, he also say that he or she also say that 1 2 3 4 5 is a number. So automatically it comes from the nature. So that's why it is called a natural number, and it is denoted by capital N. All counting number is called a natural number, which we count from the finger or anything. This is called a natural number, and in the number line you will denote from the right side is a 1 2 3 4 is called a natural number. The second one is whole number. So what is whole number? Whole means become to make a complete. So which number complete the natural number? It means we need a 10, 100, 1,000. So this whole number is completed by the zero. So all counting number with zero is called a whole number. So from 0 to positive sides infinitive is called a whole number. Okay, so and it is denoted by capital W. So third is integers. So when we in a winters, there is a temperature in the Himachal or a Jammu or a cold, northern side, the temperature dips down below zero and it comes from negative. So where we got negatives? So when the temperature is -1, -2, okay, so it also a number, so it contains in a integers, and it is denoted by capital Z. It is not denoted by capital I, because I represent irrational number. So here we represent capital Z represent integers. With all positive and negative number with zero is called a integers. So the negative side and positive side with zero is called a integers. Next, rational number. So what is rational number? A number is in the form of P by Q. And all numbers which is in the form of P by Q. As the name suggests, it comes from the ratio. It comes from the ratio. It means a number which is in the form of ratio is called a rational number. A number is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Example is 1 by 2, 0 by 1. Its denominator is not 0. Its numerator becomes 0, but its numerator never be 0. 2 by 1, 3 by 1, and so on. So it is called a rational number. All rational number is in the form of ratio. It means P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. And it is denoted by Q, not R. Okay, so R represents real number. So here is a Q because P by Q, and there is a quotient. So that's why it's named as Q as a quotient, and rational number is represented through capital Q. The next one is irrational number. So what is irrational number? As the name suggests, which the number which is not rational is called irrational. As the name suggests, the number which is not rational is called irrational. A number which is not rational is called a irrational. Example is √2, √3, pi. Okay, this so on. This is called a irrational number. All number which is not rational is called irrational. Okay, so now through the diagram you have see that the smaller part is a natural number, and the bigger part, then natural number is called whole number, and the bigger part of the integers is called whole integers, and the rational number is called P by Q form. Okay, and the real number. Okay, so this whole is called a real number. The whole is natural number. Whole number include natural number, integers include whole number, rational number include integers, real number include rational number. But irrational number is a alone. So this whole things 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, these numbers comes in a real number. It means every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. The second one is integers. So integers is bigger than whole number. It means integers include whole number, but integer doesn't come in a whole number. Negative doesn't come in a whole number. Next is a rational number. So rational number include integers, but integers did not include rational number. And the next one is a irrational number. Is a single word. This is a single, this is a lone, mean which the number which is not rational is called irrational, and the whole part is called real number. Okay, thank you.